Hi everyone, this is question number 21 in chapter 2. We have to prove that the second derivative of the expression given is always positive. I think I have to do some correction to this question. It's always positive. It should be is never negative. Okay, you just need to change to this. And the BM version will be adalah tidak pernah negatif or tidak akan bernilai negatif. Tidak akan bernilai negatif. So we got to change this in order to be able to solve this question. Now let's look at this question. How do we solve that? We have to prove that second order of this derivative. Okay, so that means let the y be x to the power 4 over 12 minus x cubed plus 9 over 2x squared plus 6x minus 3. So let's differentiate this. We will bring the 4 to the front. So we have x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared plus 9x plus 6. And continue, second order of derivative. We bring this down, 3 and the 3 simplify, we're left with just x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then this one, we can actually write in the vertex form, complete the square, okay? So we will have x minus 3 squared. So can you see that? We have just proven that for all values of x, any values that we put in, okay, our second derivative will always be more than 0. So that shows that it will never be negative. So we have just proven. Okay, because as long as we write in this, so we just put any value in. So let's say it's -4, -4, -3, we got -7, but after we square, we got positive value. Or we're still to the smallest value that we can get inside this is 0. So the second order of derivative is always 0 and above. Therefore, it will never be negative. All right, we have to change this because it's either we change the instruction here or we change the number here, 9 over 2. Some printing error here, okay?